Ever heard of a community fridge? Meet Mdm Marlina. She started the community fridge in 2023 after hearing countless stories of how her neighbors weren't able to put enough food on the table to feed their entire family. It serves as a way for families to get emergency food rations if they're unable to afford putting food on the table. But what is in a community fridge, you might ask? There are items such as frozen chicken, hot dogs, vegetables, noodles, and other items. She also provides rice, oil, soy sauce, and eggs. Children are also able to get milk and Milo from the fridge. And sadly, maintaining a community fridge can be expensive. It costs over $800 a month to operate the community fridge, covering the cost of the electricity and food supplies. The fridge has supported over 240-plus families and 970-plus individuals. How can you support the fridge? You can donate to our fundraise, which is linked in our bio, or you can scan the QR code. All the money raised will go into supporting the community fridge.